Sige na, paliparin natin, pang-5, no?
Win!
Okay na.
Win!
Game.
Start tayo!
Modern agriculture today provides us with equipment which we could use to address challenging situations. Ito ang isa, the use of agricultural drones. At night time, you could spray because GPS guided. At pwede kang makatapos ng 1 hektarya in 10 minutes. Now, there's another situation, and this time in the island of Basilan, sa gene bank ng Philippine Coconut Authority. Meron silang atake ngayon ng kokolisap, the dreaded scale insect that attacks coconuts. Now, dahil mataas yung nyug, hindi kayang abutin ng sprayer. But thanks to modern technology, using the drone, ay pwedeng mag-spray on top of the coconut. At napakabilis ng trabaho. So ito yung mga modernong equipment na kinakailangan natin sa Pilipinas.